Hi, good afternoon. My name is Bob Peters. I'm the President and CEO for Skyline Software Systems. We are a geospatial data production house and delivery system. At this show for INTERGEO in Stuttgart, we're introducing three primary themes. Number one is we've greatly increased our geospatial production capacity. We can create 3D mesh now with photo mesh, much greater quality, but also with much higher scale and speed so that you can get your models out quicker and faster. We also have introduced access to a number of standards and capabilities that allow you to cross-platform. So you're no longer locked into one particular platform. You can support an Esri environment, you can support a QGIS environment, which is important for the different customers and what they need. On the second front, we've also added a capability in hosting, so we can provide a significant web hosting, whether you want to host it yourself or whether you need us to host it. We provide the infrastructure and support necessary so that you don't have to become an IT expert in getting your geospatial information out to the customer. And then finally, the last thing is we're introducing a number of new technologies and capabilities for what we're calling smart mesh, which is taking a 3D generated mesh and adding additional layers of information and capabilities in fully automated ways, like automated feature detection, automated building extraction, automated classification. So a lot of these things that take a lot of time are now fully automated and can be implemented right in the 3D mesh, allowing people to query and get the information much faster, much quicker. Speed, accuracy, and delivery are key themes for us this year.